This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the files so the TV can read them. Check that your subtitle is in a supported format such as SRT, sub, or AS, and make sure the encoding matches the TV. UTF-8 is safest. Once done, name the subtitle file exactly like the video file so the player recognizes it automatically. Next, format the USB to FAT32 or XFAT if needed, then copy the movie and subtitle into the same folder. This prevents mismatches and speeds detection. You insert the USB and immediately open the TV's built-in media player. Most models scan the drive automatically. Once the video plays, press the remote subtitle or audio/subtitle button, then choose the subtitle track listed. If multiple tracks appear, pick the one matching the file name. If subtitles appear garbled or show wrong characters, switch the encoding or character set in the subtitle options, because incorrect encoding causes unreadable text. Make sure language and track order match what you expect. You finish by checking timing and appearance. If subtitles are early or late, use the subtitle delay or sync control to shift them forward or back until they match speech. Then, adjust font size, color, and background in the TV's subtitle settings to ensure readability against complex scenes. If the TV fails to detect subtitles, try renaming the file exactly to the video name, use a different USB port or drive, or re-encode the subtitle to UTF-8. This single troubleshooting step often fixes detection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.